Welcome back to Crow Rose Studio.
Hi.
Today we have another video.
Yeah, and you might notice there's no Lego on the table, well, besides the drawers. And you might be wondering, what's up with that?
Well,
It's not a mock.
we have a different idea. It all started at a camp a long time ago.
Like 3 years?
2 or 3 years, something like that. And we thought up an idea.
Involving a magical device known as the paper crimper.
It crimps paper.
Still not sure why.
Anyway, so we thought, why just paper?
Yeah.
Should we throw other things in there too?
Let's see what happens.
So this is...
Series known as Will It Crimp?
Will it?
Will it?
So yeah, we're just going to crimp random stuff and hope you enjoy. So the first thing we're going to crimp is paper.
It's an example of how it should go.
Yep. So we just have some regular notebook paper here. And so we're going to crimp it. It's annoying trying to set it up with only 2 hands.
That's why you get more.
Okay, there we go. So that is how you crimp some paper.
That's a successful crimp.
And you see, what makes it successful is it has all these ridges on it. And it stays mostly in one piece.
Was that one piece of paper?
Yeah, I think the edge got folded
okay.
a bit. But yeah, that's a success.
That's a crimp. Example number 2 is something that doesn't crimp.
A piece of wood.
Piece of wood.
So, yeah. Hopefully we don't break the crimper. That's an example of something that don't crimp. Doesn't look very crimped, does it?
It looks incredibly crimped. What are you talking about?
No.
It's so ridged. Next is an example of something which somewhat sort of crimps. So
Alright.
This is something which technically we won't count as a success.
A ribbon.
Because, like...
It sort of crimps, but sort of not.
Yeah.
Gotta start it. This is weird because it's got 2 ends. Alright, there we go. Okay, it got folded up on the end.
So as you can see, it looks like it kind of has
ridges. It hardly
ridges,
crimped at all. There's not any ridge that you can feel.
It just kind of like
it just looks
ends
different.
the fabric of
Time
ribbon.
and space. No.
Something. I don't know.
But yeah.
It just makes the fabric reflect differently. Like, I wonder if I just took this and like that.
It almost goes away.
Yeah, it almost goes away.
So that's an example of something that
Kind
sort of
of.
crimps, but not.
Yeah.
So here we're going to make a list of what crimps, what gets semi-crimped, and what doesn't crimp. So the notebook paper crimped.
Nate's writing because if I wrote, no one could read it.
Mine's still not that good.
Also, hashtag face reveal.
Hashtag. And the semi-crimped was the piece of ribbon. And then failed was piece of wood.
Should I reveal my face too?
I don't know.
Hi.
So that's our list.
Ta-da! Oops, I missed a button.
So thanks for watching the video.
Yep.
Hope you liked it. And thanks for all the support on our
Recent
our
Christmas
Zach's
video.
Christmas video. Yep. And do you like the pen?
Yeah.
It's a giant feather pen where we just kind of took a piece of a pen and put it in there. But it works. It looks cool.
No birds were hurt in the making of this pen.
Nope.
I think.
We just found the feather on the ground.
Yep.
So anyway,
Comment on what type of feather that is.
Yep. We don't even know, but
It's a ground feather.
Yeah.
From tunneling birds.
Something like that. So yeah. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Farewell and goodbye.